Let's make some delicious soy marinated eggs, perfect with a bowl of rice. Start by placing your eggs into a pot of water. No need to boil it first. Then, turn on the heat and let it cook for 8 minutes and 15 seconds from the moment you turn it on. Add a little salt and vinegar to help the shells peel off more easily. When time's up, rinse the eggs under cold water or drop them into an ice bath. Once they've cooled completely, peel off the shells and set the eggs aside. Now, let's make the marinade. In a container, pour in equal parts soy sauce and water, a simple one, 1 ratio. Chop up some chili, garlic, and onion and add them in. Sprinkle in a bit of sugar to balance the flavor, then throw in some herbs like coriander or spring onions. Drizzle in a little sesame oil and give everything a good stir. Gently place the eggs into the marinade and make sure they're fully soaked. Cover with a lid or cling wrap and pop it in the fridge overnight. And there you go, flavorful, umami-packed soy marinated eggs ready to enjoy the next day. But don't let them sit for too long. They'll turn super salty. These are amazing with rice. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if you have your own version.